Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have a 25A, that is the Chanel Métiers D'art unboxing together. And this is like, it's 2 items and this is a really fun unboxing. This is items for people who like to have fun. So if you're taking it too serious, if you're like, you can't do the bag charms, if you're gonna die if you see a Labubu, this might not be the video for you. But if you're into the bag charms and into having fun and into kind of like all of the fun details that make personality and fashion just like enjoyable, then you're gonna really like this and these items. Okay, so I also have some shoes and ready-to-wear that I picked up from the collection. I'm waiting for some more ready-to-wear items to come in. So I don't know if I'm gonna do separate videos or just do one big video. I guess let me know down below what you like better. Like, do we like the slow drip? With the slow drip, we can kind of do like more of a deep dive. But when it's all together, then you can kind of see more of the wardrobe curation part of it, if that makes sense. Like with one item, we go deep on that one item, but we see it all together, like you kind of start to see the vision for how we're constructing our wardrobe. So I don't know, I see it both ways. I think both could be enjoyable. For me personally, I love YouTube videos, so I'm like happy with anything, but I know not everyone is like a avid YouTube watcher like I am. Anyway, this is the first item that I wanted to share with you. I actually saw this first when I was in New York at 57th Street and I wasn't sure about it, but then after I left, I was like, wait, I think I need that item. So let me just explain it to you as I unbox it. So you can probably guess this is a piece of costume jewelry. And don't worry, I'm still sticking to my resolution. This is just the cutest little CC brooch. But okay, what got me excited about this, and this tag is like in the way. What got me excited about this actually is this tiny size. So this is where you could probably guess the bag charm of it all comes in, because I was like, you know what this would be so good for is, and it's like, I think it's a combination of champagne and silver hardware, which I really like. And it has the little, I don't know if you can see it. It's the kind of clasp where there isn't like a rotating thing. You just push it down and it buckles in. But this is the perfect size for dressing up your Labubu. This Labubu, oh my gosh, her skirt's falling off, her like butt is out. Okay. Already tied a little twilly on her. This is from the, oh, I forget what this collection was called. It's not Have a Seat. It's the newer one. It's the newer collection. Big Into Energy. There you go. Anyway, she has this little twilly on her, but so I've seen lots of people buying clothes for their Labubus online, which I think is really sweet. The only thing that I have with that is like, all right, we know that the Labubu is a trend, right? And so I have more than I probably care to have, because when the trend's over, you're gonna have all these bag charms, and you're gonna know what to do with them. And you're also gonna have all these clothes that you bought off of like Etsy that you're not gonna know what to do with. But if you use like a twilly is still good after the trend is over, right? And Chanel brooch is like, it's not trash after the trend is over. Like it's a cute little CC brooch after. But what could be cute is just, let me pin it onto her without stabbing myself too much. You just want to stab yourself a little bit. And now she is ready to go. I don't know, I just thought it was so cute, and it's like the perfect little size for this kind of accessory, this little Logo Mania Labubu. Some people might have an issue with this because they're like, gasp, what's it, like logo mixing. And I also thought it'd be cute. I don't know if you guys are into these really scary skull panda. I like them. They're like kind of haunted looking though, so just don't think too hard about it. But she has like this perfect bow in the front. And this yellow one, I think this is Do, or no, Do, that wouldn't make sense. She's Dawn. There we go. That makes sense. She looks really cute with my beige 25 bag. Okay, hold on. I just want to get this positioned cute with the bows down. There we go. Oh, that's good. But I just think it's like, you know, it's not like a full-blown outfit, which will be trash once the trend is over, but it also makes her, isn't that cute? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm like, and now she's ready to go on this. Look how good with the beige. Really cute. Also, I think yellow and pink is cute too. If you're not into bag charms, you're gonna be like, what in the world? But if you are into bag charms, I just feel like that's really good. I feel like this and this. The aspect of this I like is you like pick a color, show your personality, show your creativity with like how you can decorate your little bag charms, show your personality on your bag by like which charm you pick or which style you pick. And it doesn't have to be Labubu. It can literally be like any sort of stuffed animal that you put like a claw clip onto, like claw clip? Lobster claw onto, and you just, I don't know, you show your personality. I like that. And I think it reveals something about your personal taste and style, but it's also like a little trend. Anyway, I think she is so, that's, to me, no? As everything is falling down. Let me look at the price for this. I think it's like the cutest little size. I also have this Labubu, which I haven't unboxed, but I also think this would be good. I would take the, whatever that is, mandolin, guitar, Fortune 500 thing. I would take that off and then just put a CC in the middle. And I think this would be cute on a lot of different bags because like gold. Like I think this on my gold Birkin. Okay, anyway. So if you didn't like that, you're really gonna hate this next item. All right, this was $6.25, which is for like a tiny little, it's like a $50 or like 2/4, like each C is a quarter size. It's so cute. It's so cute. You can't tell me. Okay. / scary. Like she's a little bit scary looking. I accept that. The Labubus are a little bit scary looking. I accept that. I accept that as a response too. But for people who are like, I hate it, I don't like it, you don't need to tell me. You can tell me that it's ugly, but you love it. No, it's ugly, but you hate it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, things everywhere. Okay, so like I said, if you didn't like that first item, you're gonna really lose it over the second item. But oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good, and my boutique actually only ordered one. So this is one that when I saw it on the runway, I was like, I need that in my life. And it is technically jewelry also. It's so good, so good. And when I was at the store, well, let me just show you. Okay, I don't know if you're prepared for this. It is the cutest little star locket. When I was at the store, they brought out the full-size Maddie version of this star, which is $19,000. This was only, prepare yourself, $21.75. Okay, so maybe not that only, but comparatively, I think for what you get, it's pretty good. It looks, I swear, exactly like the Maddie one, just teeny tiny. So there's little rhinestones. It's a silver star with a champagne gold chain. So cute. It would fit 2/4 maybe, or 3 almonds, or what else could you fit in here? Maybe like 1 ring, like if I took this ring off. Yeah, so like this ring fits in here. You can see the little Cocoa Crush ring. So I could put my Cocoa Crush ring in there just if I needed somewhere to put it. Oh my gosh, you know, when you go to the gym and you have to put, let me see if I can fit all of these in there. See, I think this might be too many. Yeah, oh, that might be too many rings. So not all of your rings, just your Cocoa Crush ring. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drop things. Okay, but you guys may remember I bought the little camellia similar locket thing, and it's just, it makes me happy. It's so emblematic of the runway show. It's so pretty. But this is also, okay, one, it makes a really good bag charm. And to me, unlike the Labubus, which eventually will be considered landfill trash, I'm not saying right away, but eventually, right? Like any fad, like Beanie Babies or whatever. This will never be considered landfill trash, not to me at least. To me, this is always going to be a treasure. Ugh, it's so good. So so I have my little Birkin here. So lots of different ways that you can wear it. You can, of course, just like wrap it around the handle like this and do like, it's a little star bag charm, which I think is actually like really sickeningly cute. Lots of people have problems with the Chanel charm on an Hermes bag. Sue me. I also felt like, okay, you know how people were buying little purses for their Labubu? It's like a little purse for her. Just don't freak out. Don't freak out. Nobody freak out. Okay. So she could carry it like this. Dead. Accessorized. So cute. And you just like wrap it around and clip it on. The thing, like, just wrap it around, clip it on. Now, obviously, don't use this as a bag charm on the day that you're going to a nightclub or a protest. No human is illegal, actually. There's no such thing as an illegal human, by the way. And I think everyone should get to stay here. But don't wear it to the protest, okay? Wear it to like dinner, right? Wear it to like when you go shopping or to lunch or whatever. So there you go. I just thought it's so great. Technically, this is a necklace on the runway. They wore it like a necklace. You too, I too could wear it as a necklace. I'm not really into like a long necklace situation. Even if it were shorter, I mean, it's just kind of like a big necklace. I would maybe, I think as a bag charm. So I would wrap it on a little bag, you know, like this. And then use it like that. I think it's so cute like that. I think it's so cute like that. And it's also like a collector's item, transparently. Like I have my camellia locket, pill case, whatever you want to call it, on display in my room. It's one of my favorite items. I think this is great. I think whenever there's a collection that resonates with you, that you like, and you see something like this, get it and just enjoy it for what it is. So there she is. Anyway, I thought that was like a fun little haul that made sense together, right? Like these are just kind of whimsical, fun items from 25A. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear different creative ways that you're personalizing and accessorizing your bags. I think it's one of the fun things about handbags is that it's like a form, I mean, all fashion is a form of self-expression. And so I like how people express themselves in different ways, whether it's with twillies, like luxury bag charms, these little fad bag charms, another bag charm you found somewhere else, a bag charm you made, you know, Miu Miu and Loewe do cute ones too. I just think it's a fun thing. So let me know what you're doing to decorate your bags down below. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.